kami magkasama yung Christmas since our first championship. And every championship, alam ko, naging step up siya, starting from the playoff. And then tonight, nakita natin how important he is. Andun yung kanyang leadership, and then yung kanyang distribution bola, and then comfortable sa kanyang mga players as a point guard. And then we're so lucky because we did not commit a lot of turnovers. I think this is 10 turnovers. We're averaging before 15 and all. And then you can see naman doon the stats. So it's a balance scoring from the bench. Saka itong starter namin. We scored I think 50 and 48. Well, balance na balance to. And that's the key. Because the first group relying more on the benches because they need rest. It's a good part. Okay, and then Mo, I'm happy for Mo. He's playing well and nag-start siya after a few misses na nag-start siya sa game, and everybody doing the role, and even Jerome Tech. Pagpasok niya, I think he scored in double figure 10 points. Kaya medyo very eager lang siya to score. But we told him na, Jerome, this is a team game. Okay, you should know what to do because we need you in the game. As long as you're playing with defense and your hustle is there, the energy is there, so we have no problem with it.
Thank you, Coach. Don't galing ka sila ng winning shot 4 out of 13, 30.8%. But something na napatunayan ko sa Liga is you're not shy to shoot. Kahit anong minuto pa yan ng Jero. Where is this confidence coming from and how are you able to build this level of confidence?
I work out every day for my game, so regarding confidence or purpose. And kahit miss ako ng 0 out of 10, I'm still gonna shoot. Whatever, I'm very excited. Tiwala sa akin. So,
Before I turn away to friends, Coach Leo, just on sa sinabi nito, kahit mag-mintis siya ng marami, the trust is still there from you. Ano yung nakikita mo kay Coach? Even at the short point of the game.
Yeah, well, it's there. From the start of the second quarter, I know na makikita ko naman sa body language niya. Unlike in the practice like that, tawa-tawa lang siya. Pero tonight, makita mo, seryoso siya. And that's a sign of body language na he wants to win. After a loss, I think we have to bounce back. And everybody realize na we have to step up dahil hindi biro malagay sa 0-2. And then now, we reduce the series into best of 5. So next game is very important for us, dahil for them also, that is pivotal. Because sabi ko nga before, this is just like a chess match. So it's a move of adjustment. Yeah, we've been in this adversity and we know what to do. And plus, the support of the management, especially our coach, he was there in our practice, to motivate us. And it's a big, it's a good, a good support from the management. At dahil alam nila, kaya pa rin namin manalo, and pinatunayan ngayon And I told them na the chances is still there. Okay, it's a game of best of 7, so it's just a one loss. Before, there's a lot of championship series for us, naunahan talaga kami first game. So, parang iniisip namin baka ito yung pattern para sa amin. And I hope sana magkasuto ito. But, talagang hindi kami pinatulog. Halos lahat, pagdating namin sa practice, after nung game, Monday, wala kami masabi until na dumating yung management. So, wala na tayo magagawa. So, we have to fight back and then bounce back. And then, this is what happened. Makita mo naman sa body language ng mga player, they want to win.